What is Pegasus spyware and how did it target Indians on WhatsApp? At least 24 Indian academics, lawyers, Dalit activists and journalists were targeted for surveillance for 2 weeks until May 2019 on WhatsApp. Israeli cybersecurity firm NSO's technology, Pegasus, sent exploit links to people to penetrate their phone's security without their knowledge. Once installed, Pegasus could extract users' private data, passwords, texts, and even voice calls. Xiaomi sells 12 million devices in 1 month during festive sales. Xiaomi announced that it sold over 12 million devices during the festive sales between September 28 and October 29, including smartphones, Mi TVs, Mi ecosystem and accessories. This translates to a 40% YoY growth as compared to last year's festive sales of Xiaomi. Xiaomi sold 8.5 million smartphones, out of which Redmi Note 7 series emerged as the best-selling series. Assaulting Truth, the social network writer criticizes Zuckerberg. Aaron Sorkin, the writer of the 2010 American biographical drama film, The Social Network, about Facebook's origin, criticized the platform's co-founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg in an open letter, noting that Zuckerberg had called the movie a lie. Sorkin criticized Facebook's recent policy that lets politicians lie in ads. "That's not defending free speech, Mark. That's assaulting truth," he said. India least active, second most sleep-deprived in 18 nations. Fitbit. US-based fitness solutions firm Fitbit claimed that Indians, with average daily step count of 6,533 steps, are the least active among people from 18 countries. This number is 3,600 less than Hong Kong, the most active country. Indians are also the second most sleep-deprived after Japan, getting an average night's sleep of 7 hours 1 minute. Fitbit's report said. Apple now holds $205.9 billion cash on hand. Q4 results reveal. Apple on Wednesday posted its fourth quarter earnings results, revealing that the iPhone maker now holds $205.9 billion cash on hand. This, however, signifies a 2.2% drop in its cash pile from the last quarter, where it reported a cash pile of $210.6 billion. Apple posted $64 billion revenue for the quarter ending September, marking its highest Q4 revenue ever.